Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And in this video, I will tell you about the PhD notification of IIT Dharwad. Okay, so guys, IIT Dharwad is one of the young IIT. Okay, and like you will get good exposure from this IIT. Okay, so guys, I think all of you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So guys, please watch this video till the end because this video will be very important for you and it will be like useful video for you guys. So the students who are like getting their marks, okay, from like you are calculating your marks like from the answer key. So when you will get like more than 50, so all the students who are getting 50 plus, you can mail me. Okay, you can send me message in my WhatsApp, in my Facebook page, like in my uh, Instagram. Okay, so you can go to the description box of this video and you will get all the links. Okay, so and you can see all the previous important cutoff related video in the description box. Okay, so in this video you will get many information about like PhD notification of IIT Dharwad, and with this I will tell you more useful information, and that will help you, that will like that information will be good for you to understand what is the procedure, how we can apply in PhD in different IIT. So guys, in this video you will get such type of information that like you should know. First of all, you should make a research proposal, okay, or statement of purpose. So I will tell you two important term. Statement of purpose. Okay. One second guys, I want to show you this thing. Okay, one second. Give me 1 second. Uh, so you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. I think you are able to see that. First one, you have to make SOP. And what is that? And that is like statement statement of purpose. Statement of purpose. So you should make a statement of purpose, okay, very well. Okay, just invest many like hours, okay, to make this SOP. You can search your respective for your respective research domain that in which you are interested, and you should like you should make a good SOP. And if you need any suggestion, okay, for making SOP, just personally email me. I will give you my email address. Okay, those students who are getting more than 50 plus marks, any of the like in any humanities and social science subject, either it may be English, either it may be sociology, psychology, okay, history, linguistics, any part, any subject of humanities and social science student. Okay, if you need any help, to apply in any old 8 IIT. So as a student of IIT Bombay, I am here to help you guys. And one more important thing, those who have already research background, like those who have already completed their MA program in their respective domain, so you should make a research proposal, statement of research proposal, that is SOR. Okay, that is SOR, statement of research research proposal. You should make these two things with proper attention, with proper study, and you should invest many hours to make this, because your admission like actually depends on this. Okay, gate is one type of just, it is the eligibility criteria. Okay, it means that you are able to apply. If you have valid gate score, it means that you are able now to apply. But there are so many factors to get admission in IIT. Guys, you are like going to take admission in IIT. Okay, it's really good to hear that you are in IIT when you will you will get the admission. But you have to put thousand times more efforts that you have done yet. Okay, you have to solve in you have to solve many quizzes. Quiz means exam. Here in IIT, quiz means 100 marks exam, not it is like MCQ type format exam. You have to solve many problems. You have to read many research article every week. Okay, you have to solve assignment problem. Okay, so guys, I think this video will be really helpful for you. So guys, don't miss this video and watch this video till the end, because I will tell you everything. Okay, the students who are like regular viewers of my YouTube channel, so for you guys, I am here to help you guys. Really, I am want to help you, because I am like such a person. Like we are getting fellowship from central government, so all the fellowship money are actually coming from the people of our country. So it's my duty. I think it's my duty to help, to serve the people of our country. Okay, and that is the reason I'm making this video. Guys, all the viewers who are like regular viewers of my YouTube channel, you like you have seen like I have never edited any videos, because I do not want to be a good YouTuber. Okay, listen, I am here just I want to help you, like by giving information. I will tell you all the truth about uh, if you are like want to take admission in IIT. Okay, so first of all, you should make this SOP and SOR. Okay, for MA program, you have to make SOP, the first one. Okay, you have to make this statement of purpose for MA program, and those some IIT like they asked for like statement of purpose, and some IIT they like sometimes they ask like about SOR. Okay, it depends on like IIT. Okay, it vary. Okay, IIT to IIT. So guys, now I'll tell you one more important thing. If you need any help, you can like 1 minute, guys. I'm giving my contact. Okay, I am giving my contact. So my email ID is surajit jalik at the rate gmail.com. Okay, this is my first email ID. And one more email ID, that is, this is my second email ID. Okay, and my WhatsApp number is, so this is my WhatsApp number. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. So you can contact me in this email. Okay, in this two email ID. Okay, and this is my WhatsApp number. Personally, those who are getting like 50 plus marks, okay, you can contact. I'll guide you to get admission in IIT, different IIT. Okay, so guys, now I'll start about PhD notification of IIT Dharwad. Okay, that is situated in like in Karnataka. Okay, IIT Dharwad is situated in Karnataka. Okay, so I think you can see this. So you can see here, this is the home domain, and you will see this. Okay, this humanities and social science department, the students who can apply, these are the subjects, these are the subjects from this subject domain you can apply. Okay, like literature, then gender studies, digital humanities, philosophy, political economics, these are the domain. Okay, these are the domain, so in this domain you can apply, and the students from this domain you can apply also in this IIT. Okay, so one more important thing I want to share with you, this is the special admission drive for general EWS SC ST categories for autumn session 2021-22. Okay, so which are those department, those department which are taking admissions. Okay, will take admissions, these are the department, these are the department, these are the department, like department of biological science, department of biological science and bioengineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, and look, department of humanities and social science. So I am making this video for this domain only. Okay, so just click on it, you will get all the informations related to humanities and social science application process. So these are the important dates. Okay, these are the important dates, you can see this. Okay, you can see this. One second guys. So I think this information will be very helpful. One minute guys. it will be really helpful for you guys. And in this video will be long. Okay, so please watch this video till the end. And look guys, this will be really helpful. This video will be really helpful, and I'll uh, told like I will tell you many important information. So guys, look, this you can this fellowship awardee and teaching assistantships, so you will get financial support. Okay, look guys, so last date to apply, that is like 16 March. Okay, announcement of the short list, like 19 March. Okay, so this is very important information. So like not like any other state government, so these are the independent institute. Okay, independent research institute. IIT means independent research institute. Okay, like they have already published their answer key like before 6 8 days before. Okay, so like look, this is the result date. I am telling you guys, this is the like result date, March. Okay, so 22nd March you will get result, but you can get result in 22 like 21 March. Okay, sometimes it's happen. Okay, sometimes it's happen. You can get result from this date, you can expect. Okay, because like look guys, the important thing, what is that? IIT Gate Authority, like they have published like their answer key like 2 days ago. Okay, 1 day or 2 days ago, but like it was the day, it was the date to publish the answer key, but before 6 and 7 days ago, like they have published. Okay, so one more important information, these are the important dates. This online interview ends 29 March. So declaration of the final list of the result 7th April. So admission for well listed candidates start like 14th April, and admission for well listed candidates in 16 April. So these are the information, so you can go through this and you will get like look, financial support. Okay, HRA. So this information will be very important information. Okay, so you will get 31,000 rupees for the first 2 years, and like 35,000 for the remaining 3 years. Okay, so those who have already like different types of fellowship, you can also apply, you can apply in this domain. So all this information will be very good. So look, application fees like 100, application fees 100, application fee 100. So guys, these are the important, and you have to pay. Look, these are the bank details. State Bank registered like account name registered IIT Dharwad. Okay, you have to put the account name and you will get all the information, IFSC, etc. So these are the like information you should know very well. So these are the like fee structure, don't worry about these fees. Okay, grand total you have to pay only like 22,000. Okay, 22,000, and for like SCST OBC like 20,000. So I think this information will be really helpful. So look, minimum qualifying uh, degree and minimum score. Okay, you should have. Look, net get qualified candidate. Okay, the like minimum eligibility, you have to complete your MA program or equivalent program in humanities and social science subject and the qualifying degree. So you have like you should have like UGC NET or GATE qualified. Guys, I have told you many times, you have to qualify GATE exam. Okay, you have to qualify GATE exam. Okay, so already they are updating their information like general EWS. Okay, so look, 55% aggregate overall in master degree. Okay, and like 10 point scale you have to like score 5.5 CPI. Okay, if you are doing your like various degree from a central government institute, so CPI system are there, and various engineering domains also. So look, OBC, and for SC, look, 50% you have to like. Okay, so all this information will be really helpful. So look, any reserved category like 5% less. Okay, so these are the information. I think this information like will be really helpful. Okay, and look this point, 5.61. Okay, this point is very important point. Okay, this point is very important point. What is that? F6B, specific research area with analytic like philosophy. So metaphysics. Okay, these are the domain where you can apply. Okay, so history of philosophy, these are the like syllabus for the selection process. So this information I think really will be really helpful. So one more important information I want to share with you, just wait for a moment. Okay, this how you can apply application form. Okay, the students like, look guys, look, these are the information. You have to put your name and so on. You have to put your name. Okay, first name and second name. So you have to put your email ID and Skype ID and photo. Application fees, you have to like you have to put this UTR reference number. Okay, that you have like transaction date, that you have like already submitted the fees, application fees. You have to put this information also, name of the like account holder and fees been paid, etc. So you have to put this like permanent address, alternative address. So after filling this information, you have to go to this. Okay, look, it's not taking. So you have to fill up the first page. Okay, after that, look, topic. So you can go like it is like personal information. So after that, this is the topic. So this is the like uh, education, your academic background, then you have to upload your documents. So I think this information will be really helpful. So please share this video with your friends. Okay, thank you, all the best.